So this is how we can delete account bio history on Instagram. Let's get started. So there are some changes you have performed to your Instagram profile or whatever it might be. But in order to delete the history of the changes, go to your Instagram, tap on profile, and then tap on the three lines menu for the settings right there. Then you need to go to your activity. So this is right there, and then find the account history. It is somewhere closer toward the bottom. Then once it shows up, you can see we've got a bunch of different changes right here, but I want you to click on the update type so we specifically choose what we want to work with. In our case, it's likely going to be the bio, of course, so just click on that and select it to apply the changes. And once you do apply the changes, you can see right there that we have the clear all button right next to it in the top page. So it only shows when you specifically filter some things, right? It would be nice that if it showed for all of the things, but you have to pick something and then you can click on clear all and it will be deleted. So that's how it works. It's pretty simple. Let me know below in the comments if it worked for you. I'm really curious to know about that. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm gonna catch you later in the future tutorials.